Hello, in this video I will show you how to fix XAMPP server unexpectedly shut down issue. So whenever a user is clicking on MySQL, this will restart, this will shut down unexpectedly. So I will show you step by step process how to fix this. So first you need to visit MySQL folder. So I'll show you from start. First go to your C drive, then enter into the MySQL folder, and here you need to copy this data folder. You need to back up this data folder. So first I will copy the folder in the same folder. Then enter into the data folder, and you need to delete some files and folder. So delete MySQL, performance schema, phpMyAdmin, test, and all the other files except this IB data one. Don't delete this file. If you will delete this file, all the table will be lost. So don't delete this, and delete other all the files. So I deleted, and this was the second step. And the third step and fourth step is go back to the MySQL folder. Here you will find data backup folder. So from backup folder, copy all the files except this IB data one. Don't copy this file and copy all other files. So I will copy this into data folder again. So after that, you need to restart your XAMPP server. So I will quit and restart again. Now click on MySQL and Apache Friends. As you can see, MySQL is working fine properly. So in this way, you can fix the MySQL unexpected shutdown issue. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel.